What's up everybody? Today we're removing a big dead pine. Actually not so big, just really brittle and really delicate process we're going through. I'm setting up here on my block. My line's tied up here. I've got, let's see, where you at, Jeff? Jeff's over there somewhere. You can see that pine right there is the one coming out. I'm gonna span from this tree over to that tree, over that other live pine, and I'm going to piece that pine down while I'm mid-line between these two trees. I'll send pictures later. So we got this big nasty dead pine we're working on, about 100 foot up there at the tip. We built ourselves a little carriage from that pine to that pine, and I shimmied out on the rope on this green line from over there behind me out to here, lowered down, got myself tied in my top, and I'm going to go down about 20 feet and I'm going to take this top out. Now we're gonna skim it over and lower it down. You guys down there getting stuff ready? This has been about 4 hours, 3 hours of project setup to do this piece.
Pull, guys! Pull! 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 Okay, pull it a little bit more. Sean and Richard. Pull a little more. Okay.